Now in this video, we will go to take up this combination of quadrants and how to draw this by using AutoCAD software. A point capital P is on HP and 35 mm in front of VP. Another point capital Q is on VP and below HP. The line joining their front views makes an angle of 30 degrees to XY line, while the line joining the top views makes an angle of 45 degrees with XY line. Find the distance of the point Q from HP. So to do that, first we will go for the AutoCAD screen and switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Now we are going to type the command limits, LIMITS limits. So reset model space limits, specify lower left corner which is 0, 0. I will enter it. Upper right corner we are going to take 500, 500. Then zoom all. Then go to line. Select some arbitrary point and drag this mouse towards the left side and take it right side. And again click on the first button of the mouse and take the cursor to the top side. Again click on the first button of the mouse. Then go to offset, take the distance as 297 because A4 sheet is 297 by 210. Then you take the offset, take the distance as 210. Select this horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to trim, select this and you select this and you select this and you select this. Now once you do that, then you just go to zoom window, you bring it here. You just go to this line, a point, so we need to write this sketch. So for that, a point P is on HP. So now I need to type this. So to do that, so we go for the text. So we will go to take the text height as 4. The rotation angle as you go to the text, select this text height as 4, enter, rotation angle as 0, and here you type capital A, that is the point, problem number 12. A point capital P is on HP and 35 mm in front of VP. So full stop. Another point Q is on VP and below HP. The line joining their front views makes an angle of 30 degrees. So you take percentage, say 30 percentage D, 30 degree to XY line, that is the ASCII code for degrees, while the line joining their top views makes an angle of 45 degree, percentage D with, then we write XY line. Find the distance of the point Q from HP. Okay, now just go to the zoom previous and you just create this drawing now. Once you do that, now you just go to, now what I need to do, I have the front view, I have the top view and XY line, that's all. So to do that, of course you have a projector, go to layer. So here, click on new, type the layer by name XY. Click on new, type the layer by name front view. Click on new, type the layer by name top view. So layer 0 line weight is 0.05. You just click over that and change it to 0.05. Layer XY line weight, we are going to make it as 0.13 and OK. The front view color will going to be magenta color, OK. And the top view color will going to be of red and say OK. Now you just close this, then go to line, because layer 0 as you consider any line of any length, and then I want to draw this vertical line. So just go to line, draw one simple vertical line of any distance and go to trim, cutting it, you remove that. Then go to offset, take the distance as 35. You from here, you take this and then trim it. So you got this. Then go to erase this line. So as we know, this is a donut, you take 0, and this is 3, you take intersection point of this and you take end point of this. So once you know that, so what I need to do now, I need to write P dash and P down. So go to D text. So here you write P dash and then here you write P. Then what it says is line Q. So line Q, another point Q is on VP. So the line joining their top views makes an angle of 45 degree. So I am going to take line center of this and I will say at the rate I will take 100 less than 45 degree. So it will go to trim this. So you will go to get this. So 45 degree trim, when you get Q will go to get this now. So go to donut and take this as intersection part of this now. Then the line joining their top views, you take line center of this front view, makes an angle of 30 degree with the XY line at the rate 100 less than minus 30 because it is measured in clockwise direction. Then go to line, take center of this and draw a vertical line and go to fillet between these two. So then again you just go to donut and you take intersection point of this now. So now what I need to make this as Q and this as Q dash. So once you do that, now you just go to break this line till here and you break this line till here. Then you just go to select this line, go to CH and go to layer, make that layer as XY. So it will go to changes automatically the thickness by the default layer what you have set. Now you go for DDIM, then go to modify, then this primary unit you make it as 0, okay. Then you take the text, you align with the dimension line, you make this as 4, you make text placement is above, and you take offset from the dimension line as 3, and then you come down to symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 4, then go to lines, offset from the origin as 3. So it's okay, all other remain same, okay, and say close. Now we go for dim vertical, take center of this and you take center of this now. So here you go to get 35 and go to dim vertical, you take center of this and again you take center of this now. Here you will going to get 20, of course you will going to get some decimal point. You just go to erase, export this and erase this. Now I need to put it as L is equal to 20 point, you just go to the text and here you type L equals question mark. Then go to rotate this with reference to the base point by 90 degrees. Then go to move this and place it appropriately here. So I need to check the dimension of this. What should be the length of this? I will go for distance. Distance, you take center of this and you take center of this. So the distance will going to be 20.2073. So it becomes 20.21 if it is rounded up to second decimal point. So you can see length is 20.21 mm. So this is how you will be able to find the solution. Now what I want is, I want to change this. You just go to layer, you make this layer as front view, and similarly you make this two as the layer as front view now. Similarly you make these two layers as top view and make these two as the layer top view. So once you do that, now you go for the text. Here you type capital X and here you type capital Y. Then go to move and move it accordingly and place it wherever you want. Now we need to write the answers. So you just type answers, then you just come down to the text. L will be equal to 20.21 mm. So that is what we will going to get. It is 20.21 mm. Then go to line, switch on the ortho mode. So basically ortho mode, it draws horizontal and vertical lines. Then go to fillet between these two. So just go to move and you place it wherever you want. So now we need to show the dimensions of this where you have angles we need to try to show that. So dim angular, select between these two, so which is going to be 45 degrees, and dim angular, select between these two, it will going to be of 30. So I need to move this dimension. So dim TED, text edit dimension, so you move it inside and then you just move it inside here. So this is how you will be able to show the dimensions of angular dimensioning and linear dimensioning. Everything we can show, and also we can edit the dimensions as and when it is required to show the aesthetic appearance of your drawing. So if you want this, you just move this a little bit down, and this is how you'll be able to place it. This is how you will be able to solve this particular problem by using the AutoCAD software. Thank you very much.